Hi guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be taking a look at two magazines but unboxing one, and also we're going to be unboxing some other bus stuff as well. So first of all, here's the first magazine, CBW, Coach and Bus Week. Here's front and here's back. My favourite part about this is where is it? Yeah, I'll also show you something else in a minute. One of my favourites have just fallen off the wall. Yeah, what I like about it is that it actually has a Johnson's bus in it for once. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The reg is SN65OJI. I've been on that one and I've filmed that one out from the outside. So yeah, moving on, we go unbox this package. Somehow. So that's how we got this little box thing. But there is this inside. As you can see, it is of the Transbus AX 400. Not too sure what the company is, but when I look at the photo, when I edit it, I'll be sure to put the name on the text. Reg is NX51FJA. I think it's probably an ex-London, to be honest. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Next, we have this. This one's a hell of a lot more easier to open. So yeah, I got another one of these things. I think it's probably from the same seller. Oh no, they're from a different seller, guys. I'm a twit. There we go. So we've got two in this package. We've got oh shite. Hang on a sec. Oh, there we go. So first of all, we got a Reynolds deployment map or whatever. Reg is N4RDC, I think. But it came up underneath Johnson's on eBay. But I liked it and I brought it. And it's a Bristol RE, I think. Obviously it's not a Johnson's coach, but it might have been an ex-Johnson's. They just forgot to put the E on there. And the different reg could have been its original reg, I don't know. But yeah, still pretty neat photo. Moving on from the second one from this seller. We have a Baker's Dolphin public service bus. Western Supermare, obviously. Fleet number 121. Registered AJ58PZE. If I got that wrong for any of them, I'll correct it in the text. Done that one. Create rubbish pile. Well, that's not rubbish. Stick that up there. Which should I do next? So yeah, I'll pop the bus thing there, pop that there, that there, pop that there. There's a load of bollocks. Yeah. Oh shit. What's this? Oh, these guys have a YouTube channel. Tell you what, I might keep that. Just stick that on the pile for now. Moving on, we have this package. Ah, perfect. We have a Scania Omnicity Bentley bus from the first Manchester. Now, I don't think this is Johnny's bus. I think it is. No, it's not Johnny's. It's instead of YN05GYA, it is YN05GYT. But I'm not too 12,010. 1, 2. 12,010. Nah, they're not Johnny's. So yeah, still pretty cool little neat first bus. I don't think this one exists because yeah, Johnny's is the last surviving one in preservation now. And obviously I have just bought 2 coaches. R4NH and R5NH, X National Holidays, X Little Travel, and now X Baker's Coaches. And yeah, I am going to keep both of them in Baker's Coaches livery because yeah, they're my favourite. Yeah, here's the front, there's the back. So yeah, moving on to the last package. Last package. Here we go. I think I know what this one is. I thought it was. Strange thing is, I have just been on this coach, on the school bus ride, and his coach ride, YJ07DWG. As you can see, I think it's a Beauvais AM also. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Johnson's have got some of these for sale now. Don't know if it's DWG or not, or any of the others, because they've bloody blanked out the number plate. And the Optiversas that there, and they're for sale, but they haven't blanked out the number plate on them, so I don't know if the cameraman was having a bad day or something. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Right then, moving on to the last magazine, and then I'll go and show you something. So I've got to go downstairs to get it. So yeah, here we have a buses magazine, as you can see. So yeah, here's front, and there's the back. And here we have Showbus, which I might be going to because, yeah, there's a Baker's at one of them, SB16MTB. The only reason why I know that so early is because they told me that I was going to it when I went and picked up R4 and 5, I think. Or it could have been some time before that. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the thing that, yeah, I'll show you. Back in a minute. Pause, she said. So yeah, I'm back again, guys, and you'll never guess this. I am actually in the newspaper for the Stratford Herald. Obviously, as you can see, there's me and my dad, and R4 and R5, as you can see. And if you want to read it, you can pause it. And they have spelled Plaxton wrong. They put Paxton. They've missed out the L, but on the other side, it does say Plaxton. So yeah, I don't care anyway. It's still pretty cool. And yeah, if you want to read that, feel free. So yeah, now let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.